Hey, it's Marina, Travel Experta, and today I'm going to talk about taking a makeup workshop. That's right. If you want to make every day an adventure, you got to think outside of the box. So here's the cool thing. Up until like the age of 25, I never stepped foot outside my house or outside my room without makeup on. I mean, from 17 years old till 25, I never ever went anywhere without my makeup. I'm super blonde. My eyelashes are almost transparent. So when I put on makeup, I really do transform in a way because I enhance what I have. So I was constantly always wearing makeup, 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 makeup. And probably even until like my late 20s, I started to go more au natural or basically not really wearing makeup until my 30s, nothing at all. Like, I mean, going to put on makeup was like a big hassle for me. And in my 40s, forget it. Like it was literally like ordeal. Something that took me 5 minutes would took me like an hour to 2 hours to just get myself going. But what happens when you stop doing something, you atrophy that thing, right? Basically, my whole makeup putting on skills kind of atrophied with me not doing it. So I do want to go back to putting even a little bit of makeup just to get that enhancement back. I still have really blonde eyelashes. So just doing a little bit of an effort for me really goes a long way. But I completely forgot how to do it all. So what I do love to do today, lately, especially it started during COVID, is to visit my facialist. I go to this amazing doctor who does all of my facials and all these beauty treatments. So she offered a makeup workshop. It would be just me and her, and we would hire a makeup artist to teach us how to put on our makeup. So I was super excited. 3 hours of just focusing on me and her. The makeup artist would bring all her own stuff, but teach us exactly what needs to be done, kind of to like reinvigorate and relearn how to do my makeup once again. So if you guys are kind of lacking something or not feeling inspired, there are so many amazing workshops or classes or even tutorials online, but it's just so much better when it's in person, live, doing it with somebody else. So it's like a social outing as well. It is so much fun. We had a blast. We drank wine. We chatted. It was like a girls' afternoon. But I also came out really inspired. I went and bought all this makeup afterwards on Amazon. Do I do it all the time? Not really, but I do it more than before. And I also know how to do a quick touch up. But the point is, it's that whole adventure thing. It was the whole hanging out with friends and meeting a new person and learning something new and applying it. So I really would recommend doing something like that. So if you guys are into making every day an adventure, find that cool workshop or whatever it is to inspire you. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave me a review and share with your friends. And if you want more ideas for making every day an adventure, go to my travel site. Go to my website, travelexperta.com, travel expert with an A.com. And thank you.